is Sound City. What wonderful sounds live here. Woo! That's the letter sounds bus. I'm going to hop in and see what letters I find and the sounds they make. Wow! Letters A to F. Do you know them? Oh, don't worry. I'll tell you about them. Let's go! This is letter A. When you see A in words, just say A. Ant. Axe. Van. Sand. This is letter B. B. When you see B in words, just say B. Boy. Bat. Bird. Above. And the next one. This is letter C. C. When you see C in words, just say C. Cats. Cup. Carrots. Actor. This is letter D. D. When you see D in words, just say D. Duck. Door. Bed. Adults. Now it's your turn. This is letter E. When you see E in words, just say E. Egg. Elephant. Leg. Pen. This is letter F. When you see F in words, just say F. Fish. Fan. Flower. Africa. Whoa! I am enjoying this ride so much. I don't think I want it to stop.